Welcome on board your Airbus Services immersive experience. Airbus Services is your end-to-end partner from pre to post-flight. Please fasten your VR headset. We hope you enjoy your trip. Pre-flight. Pilot training is key to ensure passenger safety, and with full flight simulators, we can give your pilots the opportunity to train in a variety of different scenarios, in a variety of different aircraft. In flight. We want to give your passengers the best onboard experience they can possibly have. With Airspace, we take passenger comfort to a new level. With a quieter cabin, ambient lighting, bigger storage, and smart onboard connectivity, we create the perfect space without compromise. For first-class cabins, Airbus Interior Services is setting a new standard with two separate areas: a day living zone and a private, quiet night environment. This offers your passengers a new type of travel experience with two areas, allowing them to rest, work and entertain separately, and offering them the opportunity to travel alone or with a partner. Post-flight. Our Airbus experts train your staff to ensure safe, efficient maintenance throughout the entire aircraft life cycle to optimize your aircraft availability. When an aircraft structure needs to be repaired, our Airbus Services experts are able to provide training on damage assessment and repair implementation. From pre-flight to post-flight, Skywise centralizes datasets from all major players in aviation, sourced from aircraft, maintenance and electric information systems, to turn data into operational performance and business results. We hope you enjoyed your immersive experience with Airbus Services. To continue following this story, visit us on services.airbus.com.